Hi guys, welcome to this webinar. So, if you are looking out to make money on the internet, like if you are a freelancer and if you are looking out for ways to make money on the internet, or if you are a student, if you are looking out to improve your skills and make money doing part time, or if you are a business owner and if you are looking out to increase your business through online, or if you are a housewife and if you are looking out to make money from the comforts of your home, so this training is a must. So basically, the main training which you will be getting access to by paying the amount. So like uh, what are all the benefits you are going to get by attending the training? Okay, so like if you are a freelancer or if you are a student, like how much money would you like to make per month? $200 for 200, $400, $500, 10,000. So it's all possible if you go through my step-by-step training, which are a series of videos. So if you go through all the videos, then you will be able to make money online, provided you implement those steps which are given in that video. So as I said in the webinar, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step training. If you follow those steps, then you will be able to make money on the internet. So if you have a skill, no matter how good you are at, so I will help you to take your skills. And if you are a business and if you want to take your business online, and if it is online, your business is already online, if you want to scale your business, then I can help you. I can help freelancers and the students to make money on the internet, as well as business owners to take their business online and to improve their business. So you might be having one question in mind, like what is the investment required for this? So basically you need to have a mobile phone and an internet, and if you have a desktop, like it is well and good. So you don't need huge investment of lakhs and crores. Okay, the training which I will be providing, that will be a nominal amount training, wherein if you go through and implement the steps, you will be able to make money. So what is the problem, like most business owners or the students or the freelancers or the homemakers are encountering? So many people wants to take their business or the skills or the services online, but they are not finding the right coach or the what we call the accountability coach. There are many people on the internet I've seen, like they say that they are a trainer, but what they do is they create a series of videos and they just tell the students to go through those videos, and later, like when the students are facing some issues, like they are not able to help them much. Initially they might help them, but due to more students they get, so they are not able to put in more time and efforts for helping that students or the business owners to grow their business. So what we will do is we'll be working as an accountability coach. So we'll be giving you a support, that is support for by email, or you can even call us, and whenever you are stuck, we will help you. You just leave a message on the WhatsApp, call us, or you can email us, and we will help you wherever you are stuck. You can just email us and call us. We will help you the best out of our efforts to resume the steps. If you are facing any hurdles, you let us know, we will help you out. Okay, so what industry, the training which we will be giving you, the techniques, the tool and the techniques that will be helping you to teach, what industry experts says about that is, as many as 78% of the marketers who are into this online business, they say that this technique gives them good return on investment. So if the business owner, student, or the freelancer, if he invests the money, so he will be able to get more money through the tools and techniques which we teach in our main training. 99% of the businesses who are already using these tools and techniques which we will be teaching you in our webinar, they are saying that they will continue to do the same, because they are happy with the tools and techniques which they are implementing in their business is giving them more value to their business. More value, if your students are getting more value from that. More value means if you are putting some money, you will get more money out of it. That is called value. What are the benefits that you will be getting after you complete our webinar? Like if you go through each step by step, and if you complete those all modules in our webinar, what are all the benefits you will be getting at the end of the webinar? So you will be able to take your skills, talents, businesses, products, services online. Like if you are new to this online business, so you will be able to take your skills online and start making money. And I will be helping you to create a digital asset. Now every digital thing, for example, if you write a ebook, or if you sing a song, record a song, if you record an audio, or if you are dancing and if you are recording the dancing, that is your digital asset. That is your copyright. You have all the rights to sell it. So we will be helping you to create a digital asset. So when you create a digital asset, that asset, if we gradually send traffic to those assets, those may get you income from those. So we will give you the strategies like how your whatever the product you are creating, how we can turn your product into a digital asset that can act as a money making machine for you, provided you consistently nurture that product with traffic. So we will help you how to get traffic to the digital asset in our webinars. Okay, so once you create a digital asset, so maybe after 4 days, or after 8 days, after a month, after 6 months, after 12 months, after 2-3 years, you might get the sale from the digital asset. So there is a one-time effort you have to do, and you will be keeping on getting the sales over and over, provided you work on those, how to expose the digital product to the people. That is what I am able trying to say. Okay, so we will help you how to do that. Okay, so at the end of the webinar, we will be giving you the gift. Not only at the end of the webinar, we are planning to give more gifts to you in the form of learning ebooks and other stuff, so that which are related to the training program. So once you implement those, these gifts will help you to enhance your skills. What else can you add to value add the training implementation? So that gifts will add value to the training which you have taken through us through implementation. Okay, so who all will be benefited? If you are a student and if you are looking for part-time income, or if you are planning to improve your skills, then this is a good thing for you. If you are a professional, for example, if you are working professional, if you are working in a company, so in a 9 to 5 job or 10 to 6 job, so you can create a part-time income through our webinar. So we will help you teach how to make money on the internet. Take for example, if you are an IT engineer, or if you are sales manager, and if you don't have any product, we will teach you how to market the products which are created by other people, but you will get the commissions through those sales. So we will help you those also. So even if you don't have any product, don't worry, we will teach you how to do that. If you are a business owner, then we can, if you are new to this online business, we can help you take your business online. Also, if your business is already online, we can help you scale your business. And if you are a homemaker, like if you say that I am a homemaker and from morning till night, I keep on cooking food for my kids and the family. So basically, I don't have any much skills to implement and start making money. So if you are good at cooking, we will help you how to take your cooking skills and start making money. So we will help you organize the training, so that you can help your students to replicate what you are teaching to them, and then in this way you can make some money through this online coaching also. And if you are good at rangoli, if you are good at mehendi, if you are good at stitching, if you are good at dancing, if you are good at singing, we will help you organize. So there should be a organization for any steps, anything you present to your student. So we will help you organize that training. So we will help you how to organize, and you will start making money in your free time. So I think I have given you a brief insight of how we can help you to make money on the internet. So this training is for students, professionals, business owners, homemakers. Okay, so if you are interested for the training, so there is a email address given in the bottom of this video. So you can contact me, and I will help you out how to get started. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for going through this whole presentation. Thank you very much.